Hello guys, what's up guys? I show you how to make a cannon on Minecraft Pocket Edition 0.13.0. So let's start it. What you do is go to Minecraft, search Minecraft. It's Minecraft Pocket Edition. That's it. So see is
Bye. Uy, bye.
oh right, it's there.
Uy, bye ko yan.
So it started. Another 8. So first you gonna do is get water bucket, TNT, redstone dust, lamp, redstone lamp, and then this one, I'll click this one, and then kahit ano pilitan dito pero gusto ko gold. So tanggal natin torch. Okay, let's start it. Here goes 7. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7.
Oh, ba't may dog dyan? May aso dun.
1 3. Pantay na natin. Sabit na lang. So this one, bucket, lagay niyo po dyan. There. Quartz slab. Uy. So there. So yan po. First doing it is lagay niyo po yung redstone lamp. Lagay niyo po.
Water.
You're gonna do water. Lagay niyo po dyan. Yan. This one. Okay. Hindi niyo po ng dust. Ito. Ito.
TNT.
Ito. Dito. Ito lang sa dulo.
Oh!
Uy.
Wow!
Start.
Yun o, kaya sumabog. Ay, di sumabog.
Dito po dito. Pagandahin. Yeah, last. Okay.
Parang robot trap po.
Robot cannon. So you need this one called leva. Yeah, this one. Para po ilaw siya. There. So
And one.
let's try the build canon.
Hindi dito ko nilagay sumabog dito eh.
Okay, let's watch. Mahina po kasi may nakaharang na puno. So, wag na po siyang gagamitin na bukas. Kailangan nyo patayin yan. Pero pag pinuksan nyo yan at nilagyan nyo po dito, sasabog po agad yan. Look like this one. Sasabog po yan. Tapos masira po yung ginawa nyo. This. So, masira po yung pinaghirapan nyo. So, don't forget like and subscribe my video for another tutorial on Minecraft. My next tutorial is how to cheat in Minecraft Pocket Edition 0.13.0. No root, no needed, any device free. So, bye bye. See you next time.